Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. Here has been the phone in, and here we will find the SIM ejection tool. Just flap the wings and remove it like that. Otherwise, by the way, you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter the hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray you're able to insert 2 SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card. So many options. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it here in the middle. So the first SIM card goes here always in the middle, and missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and in case if you want to enter a second SIM card, that is possible. As I said, you will put the second SIM here at the first position. So also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you want, you can also add a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. So it should look like this then. And of course you can use the micro SD card also with just one SIM card. And the contacts are below again. Then after you can put back the construction into the phone. Be carefully that nothing jumps out. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.